Hi, everybody. George Chamberlain here, watching your dollars on this Friday, TGIF, the 17th of June. Had a decent day on Wall Street yesterday, kind of a mixed day, but the Dow and S&P 500 were up, and we've now been up in 2 of the last 3 trading sessions, and we're off to a good start this morning. So we may be able to snap that 6-week losing streak. We've got a long way to go before the close of trading today, but we're up. We've been up more than 100 points for a good portion of the day, and holding on to gains of 85, 90 points right now. The reason for the rally today, and it's a pretty strong move, is that remember at the beginning of the week we were dealing with a lot of tensions about Greece. Could they be on the brink of collapse? We were having all those violent protests over there. Now it appears that the other members of the European Union, France, Germany in particular, are willing to step up and provide some finance support for what's going on in Greece. And that seems to have the global markets feeling pretty good about things. So we'll kind of wait and see how all of that washes out. But it's been a tough month and a half in here, and to snap that losing streak would be something that would be much welcome. We're also seeing oil prices really come down here. We're down to about $93 a barrel this morning. Remember, a few weeks ago, a month and a half ago, we were at about $115 a barrel. So we've had a pretty good correction here. You're beginning to see it, I think, aggressively showing up at the pump, and we'll probably see that continue to be the case for a while as well. Remember earlier this week we told you about that hot IPO for a company called Pandora Media. They're an online radio service. They had a big IPO, got a lot of hoopla, a lot of attention. The stock was priced at $16 a share, but immediately jumped $10 a share, was up to $26 a share, and then kind of pulled back because the stock market got hit real hard. Yesterday, the stock dropped 24%, and it pulled back to $13.26. So it's actually trading below its IPO price, and this morning, it's trading below $13. It's just weird. You never know what's going to happen. This was a stock that people were much more excited about than LinkedIn. Remember, LinkedIn had a pretty popular IPO a couple of weeks ago, but everybody thought Pandora Media was going to be the big one. So that just tells you kind of have to be cautious in here with all the things that are going on and the uncertainty that is out there. So be real careful if you decide you want to chase some of these hot social media kinds of companies. They're very, very risky by their very nature. So not too much else going on. Next week you have a meeting of the Federal Reserve Board. That always has the potential for some fireworks, and with things as volatile as they are as of late, we'll keep an eye on that one. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good weekend.